Sakhi of grazing the cattle, Sakhi of Pashuaa Nu Charvauna. This Sakhi teaches us about hard work, wisdom, and righteousness. It is related to the life of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Once, during Guru Nanak Sahib Ji's childhood, he went to the fields to graze the cattle. Guru Nanak Ji's father, Kalu Ji, instructed him to focus his attention on grazing the cattle. But Guru Nanak Sahib was deeply absorbed in spiritual meditation. His mind always remained immersed in the name of God. One day, while Guru Nanak Ji was grazing the cattle, he entered deep meditation. During this time, the cattle wandered into a farmer's field and ate the crops. When the farmer saw this, he went to Kalu Ji with a complaint. Miracle, Kalu Ji took Guru Nanak to that field. But when they arrived, they were astonished. The crops in the field had grown even greener and fuller than before. This was a revelation of Guru Nanak Dev Ji's divine power and God's grace. From this Sakhi, we learn that if the mind is pure and focused on the true Lord, no harm ever comes. God always does things in the right way. The core message of this Sakhi is that spiritual growth is the greatest wealth.